Once we have correctly configured our file systems, we can easily create and store files in our system. That will make these kind of requirements a really piece of cake. So let's see how to do it, and I really promise you that it is going to be very simple. Just go to the Seller Project Controller and in the store method, we just need to modify this line in order to assign a new images. So we know that we receive an image from the request, so we just need to use the request, obtain the image. Basically here, we are using the name of the field, could be anything, photo or something like that, but it should be image in our case. And Laravel automatically knows that it is an image, and Laravel automatically knows that it is a file, so provide us several methods that we can use, and one of these is the store method. The store method receives several parameters: the path, and optionally the file system to use. For example, images. But images is already our default file system, so we don't need this, and the path is calculated relatively from the file system configure. It means, in our case, the path is going to be calculated from the public path EMG folder. So basically we don't need to specify any filter folder or directory, so we just need to leave this empty, and Laravel is going to generate automatically a name for that file, for that image, and store it in that location. So this method is going to return the name of that folder. So this method is going to return the name of that new image, and we just need to assign this as we already know. So once we have this code, let's verify that everything is working as expected. We can see that the public folder in the images only have the previous defined images that we have. And let's create a new one project. So we are going to create a project for the seller with ID number 2. And let's add the fields. Let's choose an image. We just need to say this is a file and send. So we have this here, and if we check our structure, we can see a new file with the image, of course. So we already are creating projects with its respective images. See you in the next class.